Good morning, I'm Brandon Cox, one of the sales reps here at Steck Equipment, and today I'm going to take you through the TrenchIt, our Fairway and Pro model, the chains. So here today we have a Fairway model, but for the most part the chains are the same. Biggest difference is the Fairway can only go from a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8-inch cut, and the Pro can go all the way up to a 12-inch cut. That's the biggest difference between the machines. Obviously the size and weight of them changes, but to kind of show you how one of these chains is set up and how our chains are a little different than some other people is you can adjust the width of the cut on one chain. So you don't have to have a 2-inch chain, a 4-inch chain, a 6-inch chain, or an 8-inch chain. All of that is done simply here. As you can see, we have a 2-inch cut going out to a 6-inch cut. And so the reason for that is you just don't want to start cutting at 6 inches. So you're going to want to start at 2, work your way out to 4, 6. If you're going wider than that, out to 8, then there's just going to be one more station to get you to the 8. But as you can see, these are our bullet or rock teeth. You'll hear them called by either name. For the 2-inch cut here, they're set up on the inside of your chain blocks. Your cup teeth, as you can see here, are on the outside, but they're turned to the end. So it's really the left is on the right and the right is on the left. Our next station is where we get to 4. And as you can see, the rock teeth have moved from the inside of the chain to the outside of the chain. And our cup teeth at 4-inch cut now are the correct direction. So the left is currently on the right as it should be, and the right is on the right as well. So as we move in, this is the 6-inch cut for the rock teeth, and as you can see, it's a larger spacer, and that has to do with just how much width you have on the bullet tooth versus how much further the cup tooth sticks out. As you can see here, that spacer there for that 6-inch cut on your earth tooth is slightly narrower, but as you can see, that's how you get from 2 to 4 to 6-inch and achieve your 6-inch cut with your trencher Fairway. All right, and I'll show you the blocks here that'll get you to the 8-inch, the 10-inch, and the 12-inch cut, and works in much the same way of once you slide this block right over the chain there, your teeth attached to the outside here, and you're good to go. And that's your 8-inch cut here for your Fairway, and that's the max width on it. And then we also have the 10-inch block for the Trencher Pro, as well as the 12-inch block for the Trencher Pro. So as you can see, one chain, one machine can get you from 2 inches all the way out to 12 inches. And so that's the TrenchIt chain setup, brief overview for today here at Steck Equipment.